And here it is, all done. And this one turned out really cool. This is a little car I've been wanting to work on for a while. I just had to wait for the right set of wheels to come along, and I got some more Real Rider wheels of a day off the internet, off of eBay, and unfortunately they're quite expensive when you buy them. So I ended up buying a couple of different sets of loose wheels, and like I said, these were spot on. They got the white wall rim, white wall tyres, which is what this type of car would have had. It could have had, sometimes they had like the raised letter tyres like Goodyear or Goodyear Eagles or different makes of tyre, you know, written around the side, or it looks appropriate with the white walls, but anyway, or the white lines, what you want to call it. But it is pretty much all done. You just got to be careful, that chrome pen takes a while to dry. I think this custom took me about an hour to do. So basically, as you see in the video, it just gets stripped apart. I gave the interior a coat of blue, and that's why I left it laid out so you could see the interior is now not chrome. And the wipers have had some chrome pen and some chrome on the door handles. All the side markers have been painted in, and the back's obviously standard. And the mirrors have been done. I think it's picking it up, the mirrors, but the mirrors have been done. And obviously I gave the grille was just a clear, like a dark, sort of semi-translucent dark piece of glass. The glass is the grille in this case, so I gave that a coat of black pen and a little bit of chrome on these, what would be vents on this particular model. But no, it's really turned out quite well. Really quite happy with it. Underneath, I didn't go mad, I just did the exhaust tips. I didn't bother with all the underneath detail, be honest, this time. Because to be honest, to do a decent underneath detail job, I would have had to have given it a coat of, you know, like a coat of black or something, and then detail the bottom properly. If you try and colour this blue plastic in, it never does, or any of the coloured plastics, it never looks right, because it wouldn't be blue, it would be black, and then you'd pick out all the details. But anyway, it still rolls nice, as you can see, which is pretty cool. Let's just put the camera down a little bit. So there is the Pontiac Firebird formula from Matchbox. And yeah, it's not turned out too bad at all. But anyway, please like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more unboxings, wheel swaps, restorations, vintage pieces, and all that good stuff in the future. And with that, I'll see you all very soon. Thanks for watching.